كشف رقم 44. كشف رقم 45.
So that I can talk.
كشف رقم 45.
I don't know what to say. I think I'll start. So anyway, so there's this idea out there that you have to do all this, rotate your hips and bring your arm around to throw power into shots, and it's well, it works, but it's not true that you have to do that. One of the techniques that I teach is really based on timing, where you can take your arm across very slowly with your grip open, and then right at the point of impact, you tighten your grip and drop the shot in. So it goes a little bit something like this. So with my arm only moving this speed, like that, hand open, again, it's just real nice and easy, doesn't have to be fast. And probably 80% of people are going to take that. So then